If you're like most people, you've probably found yourself saying, "I'll start when I feel motivated." But here's the truth: motivation is a tricky thing. Did you know that nearly 92% of people fail to stick to their New Year's resolutions? Why? Because they wait for motivation to magically appear, instead of making it happen. The secret is simple: motivation isn't something that just hits you out of nowhere. It's built, step by step. In this video, we're going to break down how to start living a healthier life, even if you feel like you're stuck. We'll show you how small habits, tiny rituals, and even the food on your plate can help you stay motivated every single day. No more waiting for the right moment. You can start today, with just a few simple changes. Ready to learn how? Let's dive in. Chapter 1, The Motivation Myth: Why Waiting for Motivation is Holding You Back. We've all heard the phrase, "I'll start when I feel motivated." But the truth is, motivation often comes after action, not before. Waiting for the right time can lead to endless procrastination. Psychology shows that motivation is something you build, not something you wait for. In fact, studies from the University of California show that the brain rewards you with dopamine after completing small tasks. That little boost makes you want to do more. So, instead of waiting to feel motivated, start with something small. The momentum will build itself. Procrastination is often tied to fear: fear of failure, fear of discomfort, or fear of not doing things perfectly. But here's a secret: perfection isn't necessary. Just show up. That's what Olympic swimmer Michael Phelps did. He didn't wait for motivation to show up at the pool every day, he just showed up and worked hard, regardless of how he felt. This consistency over time made him a legend. The key takeaway? It's better to do something imperfectly than to do nothing at all. Chapter 2, Tiny Rituals, Big Results, The Secret Power of Micro Habits. What if I told you that tiny habits could lead to big changes in your health and life? That's the power of micro habits. These small, easily achievable actions don't require a lot of effort, but they compound over time. Author James Clear, in his book Atomic Habits, explains that 1% improvements every day add up to massive results in the long term. For example, if you start each day with just 5 minutes of stretching or a short walk, you're making progress without feeling overwhelmed. Neuroscience supports this too. Our brains thrive on small, repetitive actions. Each small success releases a little bit of dopamine, which encourages us to keep going. This process is known as the habit loop. By turning tiny actions into daily rituals, you create a sustainable way to improve your health without stressing over big, unrealistic goals. Over time, these micro habits become part of your daily routine, making you healthier without even thinking about it. Chapter 3, The Fresh Start Effect: Turning your health into a daily adventure every day is a new opportunity. The fresh start effect is a psychological phenomenon where people are more motivated to start new habits after a clean slate. Research from Columbia Business School shows that we're more likely to take on a challenge when we believe it's a fresh beginning. It could be a new week, a new month, or even just a new morning. The idea of a clean slate encourages us to let go of past mistakes and approach health as an adventure. You don't need a major life change to feel the fresh start effect. Try resetting your routine every morning. Instead of thinking about how difficult your health goals are, focus on the small improvements you can make that day. Today, you could try drinking more water, adding an extra veggie to your meal, or taking a brisk 10-minute walk. It's all about enjoying the process, not stressing over the destination. Each day brings a fresh start, and each day is a chance to build something better. If you're enjoying these tips, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more motivation and health advice. Chapter 4, The 10-Minute Energy Boost: How to Reignite Your Spark Without Breaking a Sweat. If you're struggling with motivation, here's a game changer: you don't need hours at the gym to feel energized. Sometimes, just 10 minutes of physical activity can dramatically boost your energy levels. In fact, research from the Mayo Clinic found that short bursts of exercise help increase blood flow and improve mental focus. You don't need a full workout to feel better. A brisk 10-minute walk, some light stretching, or even dancing to your favorite song can quickly recharge you. Here's why it works: when you exercise, your body releases endorphins, which are natural mood-boosting chemicals. These little bursts of energy make you feel better, fight fatigue, and improve concentration. So, next time you're feeling sluggish, try a quick energy-boosting exercise instead of reaching for that extra cup of coffee. The results might surprise you. Chapter 5, Food for Thought: How Your Plate Can Power Your Motivation. You've heard the saying, "You are what you eat." But did you know that the food you consume directly affects your motivation and focus? Research from Harvard Medical School shows that certain foods improve brain function and energy levels, which directly impacts your motivation. Foods like leafy greens, salmon, and nuts are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are known to enhance brain health and cognitive function. Let's take it a step further. Studies show that a healthy, balanced diet can help reduce feelings of stress and anxiety. A diet high in processed sugars and unhealthy fats, on the other hand, can lead to mood swings and low energy. So, when you want to feel motivated, focus on nourishing your body with foods that fuel your brain and provide steady energy. Small changes in your eating habits, like swapping out sugary snacks for a handful of almonds or a piece of fruit, can have a big impact on your day. Chapter 6, The Buddy System, Why Health is Better When You Share the Journey. One of the most powerful tools in motivation is social support. The buddy system isn't just for kids, it's a proven strategy for success. Studies from the American Journal of Lifestyle Medicine show that people are more likely to stick to their health goals when they have a workout partner or support group. Having someone to share your health journey with makes the process more enjoyable and keeps you accountable. But it doesn't just stop at exercise. You can find a buddy for meal planning, stress management, or even sleep habits. When you have someone cheering you on, you're more likely to stay committed. And when things get tough, you can lift each other up. Accountability partners help you stay motivated and push through the tough days. Plus, celebrating small wins together can make health goals feel like a fun team effort rather than a solitary task. If you found these strategies helpful, don't forget to hit subscribe so you never miss out on more tips for a healthier, more motivated life. This video showed you that motivation doesn't have to come from a big spark. You can create a healthy lifestyle with simple, actionable strategies that fit into your daily routine. Whether you're using tiny habits, embracing a fresh start, or finding support in a friend, each step you take brings you closer to a healthier and more motivated you. Ready to start today? Let's go.